Many Tesla Cybertrucks spotted arriving at Fremont factory. There have been more Tesla Cybertruck sightings in the previous week alone than ever before. And that probably indicates that the start of initial deliveries is drawing nearer. Last week, the California Highway Patrol Buttonwillow expressed its surprise at seeing some strange trucks being transported on car haulers on Interstate 5. The officers shared the photos on Facebook and asked their followers what trucks were those and where were they headed to. Of course, the trucks were Tesla Cybertrucks, and as it turns out, they were being transported to the company's plant in Fremont, California. We say that because 9 Cybertrucks were spotted later on at the Fremont factory on 3 car haulers. The Cybertruck fleet was sighted by the kilowatts via Teslarati, and the photos were taken from quite a big distance, making details hard to spot. However, the photos showed clearly that all 9 Tesla Cybertrucks had their front ends covered with front wraps. The electric trucks seemed to be production units as they looked refined and ready for deliveries to customers. Of course, the big question here is, why is Tesla delivering Cybertrucks to Fremont? And there's no clear answer to that. The Cybertruck is built at Gigafactory, Texas, and the handover event expected toward the end of Q3 will take place there. Still, speculation is rampant among Tesla enthusiasts that these Cybertrucks may have been delivered to California to be used as display units at local stores. If that's true, it means that the start of initial deliveries is very close. Meanwhile, more Tesla Cybertrucks have been spotted arriving at the Fremont factory today on car haulers. As seen in these photos shared on X, formerly Twitter, by Esther Kockelman, so the plot thickens. Interestingly, more Cybertruck-carrying car haulers were spotted leaving Giga Austin today, as shown by S.E. Robinson Jr. on X, see tweet below, although their destination remains unknown for now. As a reminder, Tesla announced in mid-July that the first Cybertruck had been built at Giga, Texas. Earlier in the year, Elon Musk said the Austin site would host a handover event toward the end of the third quarter, which likely means late September. There's a lot of things people want to know about the Cybertruck, including pricing, range, performance, size, and trim levels. Tesla has been keeping all these things secret and will probably release some of them at the handover event that will hopefully take place about a month from now. We do know that 2023 is just the warm-up for Cybertruck production, as volume manufacturing will start next year at Giga, Texas. Source: reposted and summarized from Dan Mihalascu at Inside EVS.